I'm Taraji, and I'm here to share with you my beautiful hair secrets.
Hey guys, welcome to Real Divyne, and on this episode we will be trying TPH scalp treatments. Online, I've seen so many reviews all over the place, highs and lows. I just definitely was ready to try it myself, especially since it's a scalp treatment. I have really bad dandruff, so I want to see if it'll get all the dandruff out, because every time my hair is growing out, I literally feel like I am scraping snow off the ground with my nails in my scalp. It's that bad. I'm so serious. I really hope you guys are having a great day and you guys are all staying safe, you and your families, with what's going on. You know, just keeping your masks on, quarantining. Definitely. I just finished using the Master Cleanse and the Never Salty Scrub. We're going to go ahead and review these two, have a little discussion, and then at the very end, we're all going to put in this mint condition together, see how it works on the scalp, if it's a really good conditioner for the scalp, which I've never tried before. I've never tried anything like this, which I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get into this episode. Guys noticed, but I saw this as a great opportunity to do the yellow eyelid. Let's start with the Master Cleanse. The packaging, it's so cute. You have the 3 prongs at the top so that you can go ahead and get to your scalp much quicker, so you can have an accurate application, which is so cool. And I love the color. The yellow is just so cute. My best friend's favorite color is actually yellow. It's an adorable bottle. Whoever made this idea is just great. And all you have to do is simply twist it. So let's talk about when I used it just now. It smells just like Shea Moisture's high porosity mask. Definitely. Like, a lot of people saying that the smell is strong. It definitely is, but let's not forget that Shea Moisture also had something strong. You know what I mean? Like, she's not the only one, you guys. I don't know exactly how to say what it smells like, but it's strong. But when you're putting it in your hair, it's not that bad, especially since you're rinsing it out. It's all right. I can definitely say it doesn't set up much. Obviously, I wet my hair. I did the normal things when you do wash. I wet my hair and I just like massage my scalp a little bit before applying the wash. What is surprising is that even though it didn't set up, it was super stripping. Like, it stripped everything out of my hair, all the oil, everything. This is good for when you want to start fresh with your hair, if you know what I mean. Like, these braids that I'm washing it with, I've had them in for a full month, so I was ready to get a deep cleanse. But if you're more of a co-washer, you definitely don't want to like do this all the time, because even though it's strictly for the scalp, it definitely gets in your hair, you know? You want to be super, super careful when you're using it, because it got in my eyes and it burnt so bad. I literally had to go ahead and grab a towel as soon as I could. But like I said, it did clean the scalp pretty well, and I'm not going to do my little dandruff test right now until after we talk about all of this stuff. It doesn't tingle like the rest of the products, like the scrub, and I know the mint condition does because it says a tingling scalp conditioner, but the Master Cleanse definitely is just cleansing your hair, so you don't have to worry about any tingling. If you don't like that tingling thing, if you ever want to use this, you don't have to worry about that. And now onto my favorite product out of the two so far, the Never Salty Sugar Scrub. Now, I saw her video on YouTube and she used it with her hair dry.
Oh, it feels so good.
Even though the instructions say here to use it while your hair is wet. So she used it differently. I guess obviously you can use things any way you want to, but I was like really confused because I would expect her to want to follow after what it says on the packaging, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? Because she used it a totally different way. But I wanted to use it when my hair is wet, so you can go ahead and get the sugar to dissolve and everything. But if you are somebody who doesn't like anything to tingle, I definitely don't recommend that you use this. I love for things to tingle. I love using Biore when it tingles on your face. This Biore scrub, I love that. Biore's face wash, they tingle, you know what I mean? That's a great feeling to me. But if you don't like that, please don't use this, because you're already gonna waste your money, even though you can refund, but you'll be wasting your time. You know what I mean? But definitely, if you have bad dandruff, I say that this is really great so far. After we go ahead and look at my scalp, if my scalp looks clear, then I'm definitely gonna be like, yes, this is it. This is it. It smells just like peppermint oil, and I freaking love that. I love the peppermint oil smell, especially in hair, because I've used the peppermint oil in my hair with oils. I made a mixture of that with other oils, because peppermint helps hair growth, and you know, it's good circulation and everything. It's just, this one has the best smell. Like, it just makes me so happy when I smell it. I love this one so much. If I don't use any of the other ones, I would definitely use this again. Without further ado, let's go ahead and try the mint condition. Okay, just letting my hair down. It's still in the braids, of course, because I want to use all these products in braids in my protective style. And my hair, I'm not feeling any. Okay. Usually dandruff comes up on my fingers and I'm not getting anything. My hair is just like completely clean, you guys. Wow. My hair is, it feels very dry. It needs moisture, that's for sure, but it feels clean. It feels really clean. I'm sorry that I wasn't looking at the camera. I was just looking on the screen to see how the hair did. So let's go ahead and try this tingling scalp conditioner. So as you go like this, let's see. Twist cap right to open. Use a tri-twist applicator to target scalp areas and gently squeeze the product. Twist to the left to close and empty. Apply directly onto scalp and massage it. Indulge and use daily or desired. Rinse thoroughly. I read the instructions for everything to make sure I'm using it correctly, because I don't want to use anything wrong. It looks stupid. And apply this. I mean, I can definitely say I feels conditioning, and I feel like I said conditioning. I feel moisture coming back into my scalp using this. And the smell, I feel like it will die down, and even if it doesn't, like I said, and I've used that Shea Moisture High Porosity Mask, I feel like it's not that bad. Especially because you're using it strictly for your scalp. Your whole head shouldn't even smell like this. Just got my mirror. Okay. I honestly, so far, after just putting those 2 spots, I like this a lot. Because I can feel the moisture that was taken out of my hair on my scalp. Because obviously it's taken out of my scalp more than anything. Even though it stripped the rest of my hair, I can feel it coming back. Just curling up my hair nice at the roots. It is definitely it is definitely tingling. I like that a lot. And my hair feels like it got moisture back after the conditioner. The conditioner definitely stripped it, but I said after the conditioner, after the master cleanse, I feel that I've got so much moisture back. It's awesome. And oh my god. Alright, I wasn't expecting to love these products, but I actually do. I can't think about how much hard work this would be if I didn't have my hair in braids. So I'm really thankful about keeping the braids in. And feeling this tingle, and the ingredients, especially this peppermint, the eucalyptus oil, shea butter, aloe, all of that, I feel that that's in here. It's so great. But I would definitely like to say, you guys, that this, I can't stop feeling it because I feel like it put moisture back into my hair after using the cleanser. You have to use these products together, definitely. And if you don't, I just love everything about it. And I wasn't expecting that since I've seen so many trash reviews. I've seen Love It ones. I've seen those, but a lot of times you pay attention to the bad comments rather than the good comments. And that's what I was doing. But the bad ones I don't understand. Obviously, we have our own opinions, so things that I'm saying you may not agree with. But all in all, I love all three of these. And these two are my favorite, definitely. But the Master Cleanse, it is a Master Cleanse. The name does what it says, targeted scalp wash. It's definitely for the scalp. Obviously, it's going to get on the rest of your hair. But after you wash your hair, what do? You apply moisture to it, so you'll be fine. You know what I mean? That's why I was okay using these products, because I know once I strip the hair of all its oils, I'm going to put some back in. And I know there's one more. Only these three were at Target, but I'm definitely going to try the last one, which is the serum for the hair, because I'm loving this. Definitely. These products are now a part of my wash day routine, especially after having braids, because I feel really clean in my scalp and I'm getting this relaxing feeling in my head. I can definitely feel the peppermint, and I love that very much. So I think you guys should definitely try this if you have not. If you've been contemplating, you should do it. Please do it. Please do it. Please, please, please try it. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. If you love all these things that I've been saying, the tingling, the smell, like the oils kind of thing, and the smell that's in my hair right now isn't overpowering. Yes, it's a strong smell when you smell in a bottle, but on my hair, I didn't overdo it, so I'm not smelling it that bad, you know what I mean? And I'm feeling such a great tingle. It's giving me so many good sensations. I'm freaking loving it so much. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a blessed, beautiful day, because you guys are all beautiful people.